Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a glitch on CapCut. You know how to fix or how to solve glitch on CapCut? You should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will search about CapCut and you can click here. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching and your attention. Goodbye.